Welcome to our daily movement session. We're going to build some strength and mobility today with real gentle, light, low impact movements, but done with focus and intention. Just begin with a very gentle squat. Bring your hands in, reach back, and twist to both sides. Breathe in and out. Connect our breath to the movement. Breathe in and out. In and out. Find a nice rhythm that works for you. I would love to show you my surroundings today. These beautiful old buildings on our community island. One more here. Extra special session today, because as you can see there is my best little buddy reading Calvin and Hobbes as we do our movement session. How brilliant. When we can move with the ones we love, it's 100 times better for us. Just step, twist. He's getting really cracked up by Calvin and Hobbes over there. I'll be extra happy in today's movement session, listening to him giggle. Ooh, breathe in and out. In and out. Head up high. We will build these wonderful physical attributes in our 10 or so minute movement session, but I really want to start to use these as a form of prayer where we move our bodies with reverence and just acceptance for where we're at, acceptance for all of our bits as they are. That being said, continue to show up and wanting to improve. Get a little stronger, a little more mobile is wonderful. Connect our breath to the movement. We bring more presence in. We live in the now. Everything is much more exceptional when we can be here as opposed to being there or then. Okay, wonderful. Spread your legs just a little bit further. We're going to side lunge. When you come to one side, just punch down a little bit. Just reach to the side. Breathe in and out. And out. Great for flexibility here. And just notice where you are. You modify every movement to meet you where you're at today. Okay, nicely done. Let's step forward. Open up. Step back. Close. Right foot forward, right foot back. Breathe in and breathe out. Really open up your chest when you breathe in. Breathe out. When you come forward, you're welcome to come up onto the balls of your feet. Bring some balance into the movement. One more on this side. Right from there, and let's go. Same movement, just step with the opposite foot. So we're opening up. It'll feel different on this side. Just welcome however you feel. Real acceptance. Oh, yes. If you stumble, just come back and begin again. Last one here. Ooh, Just shake it out a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh, nicely done. Okay, arms up high. Clap jack. Move around your space. Do your best to get your arms up nice and high. Bring your leg up as high as you can. And this could be this for you right now. Again, you do what works best for you. I mean, this could be, if you're feeling it, wonderful move. But every modification is entirely acceptable. You're moving your body. That's what's most important. Can have my head up high here. In and out. Breathe in, out. One more on each side. Ooh, feel that in the shoulders? As well do I. Little bit of a backstroke with the arms. Shift your weight from side to side. A real full body movement here. I can breathe in and out. I don't know if you can hear him chuckling, but it's great. Oh. One more. Oh, so good. We're going to step across our body and bend to the side. Use your arms to come back as far as possible behind your body. Mobility. Full body mobility here. Head up. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In and out. You could do it with pace if you wanted. Nice and slow is great too. Last one. Ooh, not bad. Let's do a little bit of bending, okay? But reach down to the side and then side bend. Reach down, side bend. I like to breathe in and out. One more on each side. Oh, I hope that feels so good. Let's do a little bit of balancing. Airplane. Enjoy the ride. Do your very best. You could just simply tap your toe. But if you can take off a little bit, wonderful. If you can come flat, brilliant. If you pick a spot right in front of you, a meter or so in front, give that all of your attention. Notice how much better your balance is. One more each side. Maybe we just hold that last one for a moment. And rise up. Let's finish off with this last movement. I just got a big yes, somebody's ready to go. Focused attention. Pick your spot. I'm going to just do a simple bodyweight shift in a prayer posture to be grateful for this session. How fortunate we are to move our bodies every day. Give all of your attention to that one spot. Notice when you get distracted, you can simply bring your attention back. Seems as though I cut this one short. Thank you, everybody, so much. I appreciate you being here. Let's do this again tomorrow. Have a great day. Goodbye.